Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, this is a quick video. This is a 35-year-old fellow, I think he's 35, he's a young guy, with bushy, wiry hair, and that's what makes this video important. He's at 6 months when he comes in, and it's only half grown, but because he's got bushy hair like on my chin, it looks like it's 70 or 80% grown when it's only really
so
half
he's
grown.
a perfect candidate for a hair transplant.
He is. It's awesome, yeah.
Yeah, because
not much color mismatch.
Yeah,
bushy hair.
Yeah, and
yeah. We do those all day long. And so here he is before. Here he is at the end of the case, and then here he is at a month, and then he showed up at 6 months, almost to the day, and looks like this. And that's awesome in the front. And then I say bend over, and now you can see that
there's still some growing to go. It's halfway.
It's half grown.
Yeah.
And then here's the back of his head with a pretty short haircut, and here's a close-up of his strip scar, which is pretty good strip scar. Hard to find. So I mean, he looks really good at 6 months, and he's only gonna look better. You were gonna say something. What were you gonna say?
Yes. So the importance to show all the videos. So for me, like the importance for all these videos is for you to compare apples to apples, right?
So if you got bushy hair, look at this guy. If you got stringy hair, look at the
look
video we did before.
Yes, and then and that's why we like to show it. And sometimes it feels repetitive, but it's not. It's to show you so you can compare your hair loss, your hair texture, your hair color, compared to what what it could be accomplished with it.
Because if we showed this as an example of our average
every
result,
time, then
to a thin-haired Vietnamese guy,
it's not going to look like that.
We have a million unhappy people pissed off.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we try to educate you to whenever you're doing your research, look at the color of your hair, look how much hair loss you have, because it is exciting to see those Middle Eastern guys with, when they fix this whole front and it looks, and they can comb their hair all up high and do this different hairstyles. Not everybody is able to.
A skinny-haired fella's not going to do that.
They're not going to be able to do that. Yeah.
So do your research and ask your doctor to show you a head that looks like yours. That's what we try to do when you come for a visit.
Yeah.
Thanks.